Hey everyone, welcome back to my series of solving each one of the LeetCode problems, starting with the easy ones, going to the hard ones. Next one is find the index of the first occurrence in a string. La-di-da. Okay, so given two strings, needle and haystack. Okay, we need to find the needle in the haystack. Needle is the substring of the haystack string. Turn the index of the first occurrence of needle in haystack, or -1 if needle is not part of the haystack. Yep. So example 1, haystack. Needle is sad. We find sad in the beginning, so index is 0. Lead 2, we find it here. So, well, actually, we don't find it because it's not here. So we just keep on going. We just return the -1. Okay, cool. Needle in a haystack. So mkdir 28 of needle haystack. I think that's way better. Way better naming. Solution .py and pass if name. Okay, I'm not gonna do this because I'm not gonna import anything anywhere else. So print solution of this, and the arguments are, in this case, and I'm also going to print this. Okay, so let's start with this. So what I'm gonna do is I need to iterate over the haystack and look for the needle. So I'm just thinking of a fun way to do it. And I think the fun way to do it would be like use some Python stuff that already does that for us. So a stack.split with needle. So split it. So let's see what happens. So let's see what happens. I think I'm cheating. I feel like I'm cheating here. So yeah, empty string. Okay, so what I can do here, you can just return the length of splitted first element. But if length of splitted equals 0, and this means that, yeah, there's no needle in the haystack because we couldn't split it, then we return -1. Okay, let's see if this works. 0, 8. Oh, no, equals 1. 0 -1. Yeah, okay, let me just submit this cheat. Wow. Okay, pretty cool. Done. Of course, this is checking the whole string. It should stop at the first. Let me see if there's max split support index. Huh. Max split is equal to 2. Let's see if this works. Oh, didn't have an underscore. Silly me. 0 -1. Let me check what happens first one. Set but See, you do like this. So how about that? Okay, so this is even better. And I'm just using Python stuff. Yeah, I did a little better, but pretty much the same. Let me just run again. Okay, it did worse. But yeah, like, okay, best one, 33 seconds. Happy with that. If I were to do this without using the split, what I would do in a dumb way would be for uh, I don't know. I would just check the for like a S1 in haystack if S1 equals needle 0, then okay, per needle equals needle. So I would be just like making the needle shorter and say something like per needle equals per needle, and you just remove the last element. Else per needle equals needle, and we just reset the things. However, this might not work. This might not work because if I'm, let's say, sat, it finds the first S and it removes the needle. Then it finds that it removes the needle. Then it finds this S over here and it fails to start again. Okay, let's say we're looking for the needle, which is sasad in the string sasasad. It would just reset here and it would say, oh, we didn't find a needle, but it should have reset it here. So this will not work. So what can I do? Okay, I know how I can do this. So first I need to iterate over the haystack and find potential beginnings, like a potential start of this. So for needle, okay, potential starts equals, let's see, start and how do you write this? I never know. Plural of index. Indices, indexes. Okay. And so for S1 in A stack, if S1 equals needle 0, then potential start indexes dot append S1 index. And the S1 index is going to be index. So now we need to enumerate this. So yeah, and now okay. Oh, this is this is too much work. So we can do for potential start index that's in potential start indexes, and we can just like haystack equals haystack new haystack equals haystack from the index onward, and now for S1 in new haystack, if S1 current needle, and I think we can just read this else break. So what were we returning? I don't remember. Return the length of the split. Yeah, the start index. So we just pretty much return the potential start index. Return. I don't think this is going to work. Well, let's see. What is the potential start index? 0 for sad. Okay, yeah, works. Okay, no, I'm not sure if this might have been a coincidence. Let's see. Current needle. Sad for S1 in new haystack. And the S1 is S, and it's equal to this one, so current needle is a little bit less. So we don't remove the last one, we remove the first one. Okay. So we remove the last one, the current needle must be AD for S1A, and it is equal. I'm wondering if I don't think this will crash, because the current needle is D. Yeah, no, this of course doesn't crash. Oh god, I went too far. Okay, matches. Okay, so a new haystack. Okay, so if not per needle, break, and then we come here. So one thing that Python has, which is the for else, and the else block only happens if it breaks. I think it's something like that, or the other way around. I'm curious. Yeah. So what we can do is we can do else continue. And yeah, 0. And let's see the next one. Potential start index 0. Yeah. Did it continue? Okay, so I don't want it to come here. I don't want it to be here. I want it to return -1. Continue. I want to do the opposite. I think there's something like finally Python for loop execute only if breaks. If the loop does not break, run code. It's the else. Or else. Is there a for finally? Okay, so found solution equals false. Yeah, we can always do something like this. So it's true and breaks. And yeah, true, and then it breaks. And then we don't need this. If found solution, try this. So I guess it found solution in both of them. How did it find a solution here? Not currently, we don't know else if. Oh, it didn't find a solution here, of course. Yeah, okay, let's see. I'm pretty confident that this is going to perform worse. Well, didn't even work. If needle equals haystack, return 0. Submit. Wrong answer, ABC, needle C, output -1. Well, I give up. I shouldn't. Okay, ABC, BC, the needle is C. Check the potential start indexes. 2. So current needle is C. New haystack is C. We're seeing new haystack. If not current needle. Okay, if S1 equals current needle. Yeah. Oh yeah, the haystack is ended. Or current needle must be 0 now. Yep. Should do the trick. It's 37 seconds. Oh, bit similar. Well, not available. No runtime, no memory. Let's just submit again. Okay, I did worse. Well, now I feel like I didn't cheat. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.